you working on there, big dog?
Hey, I'm working on an FL5 big brake kit, but you can't see just yet.
Come on, let me take a peek.
No, not yet, not yet. Okay, all right, fine. Feast your eyes.
Oh, phenomenal.
Yeah.
Well, that, funny enough, is exactly what we're here to talk to you guys about today. Back again with another 271 video. I'm Jake.
And I'm Vlad, and let's go for a ride.
Whether you're carving up a back road or navigating traffic, confidence in your brakes defines how bold you can drive.
The 271 big brake kit was built for that moment every single time.
Let's dig right into the specs of this killer kit. First, a larger 6-piston forged caliper, our most advanced design yet. Precision machined for the FL5's geometry. You're not going to find any sort of half-pieced together retrofit caliper here. So Vlad, why don't you tell the people why you should upgrade to more pistons?
More pistons means more even pressure, better pad wear, and repeatable performance when temperatures climb. This also allows more clamping force and a larger pad area. It's one of the main benefits of going to a larger caliper, and these pistons are now staggered for better pad wear and balance when applying the brakes. Plus, they're made of stainless steel, which resists heat better, meaning less fade and less chance of boiling your brake fluid.
Let's talk about those pads for a sec. Each kit ships with our blue sport pads, which are great for light autocross and street. Ready for daily driving, yet track tested for the weekend warriors as well. Or choose a 271 dedicated race pad, ready for those lapping sessions at your favorite track.
And when it's time to step up, you're free to run pads from multiple other brands. Compatibility built in, because real performance shouldn't lock you down. Want something more street friendly? Go for a ceramic option. Want something more hardcore? Lock in a semi-metallic pad with a higher coefficient of friction. Choose the exact pad to suit your driving style.
What about the rotor? Here we kept the size similar to stock. Each rotor is built for thermal capacity, keeping pedal feel consistent, lap after lap, stop after stop. We tuned the balance between the piston area and rotor size to maintain perfect modulation with the stock master cylinder. Built-in directional cooling vanes help dissipate heat fast and prevent cracking.
We also didn't go crazy large for rotor size because that limits your wheel choices. Our included wheel fitment guide tells you exactly how our kit will work with your aftermarket wheels. Still on stock wheels? We'll maintain perfect compatibility with the OEM setup across the FL5, DE5, and FK8.
Rounding out this kit is a set of DOT-approved stainless brake lines. Those rubber OEM lines had to go. They simply don't provide the pedal feel for what we're after.
Finally, choose your finish. Black for stealth, red for statement. Same performance DNA inside, and they won't turn brown after a few hard tracking sessions.
This isn't just another brake kit. It's a system designed to match the way you drive, to connect your right foot to real confidence. Once again, thank you guys for watching and always coming back to our 271 videos. I'm Jake.
And I'm Vlad. And before you guys go, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. We'll get around to it.
Grab your kit starting today in the link below.